In the midst of a bustling world inundated with screens and ceaseless noise, have you ever felt adrift in the chaos of modern life? Days blending into a monotonous blur of chasing deadlines, endlessly scrolling through feeds, and striving for success in a world that never seems to hit pause. Amidst this constant hustle, perhaps you've sensed a stirring within, a yearning for something deeper, more meaningful than the repetitive grind. A longing for respite from the cycle of work and worries that often leaves one feeling drained and unfulfilled. Imagine this. Amidst the urban clamor, you chance upon a quaint antique shop nestled between towering buildings. Inside, among relics of forgotten times, lies an extraordinary mirror. Covered in dust yet exuding an inexplicable energy, it whispers of a divergent path, a path leading toward a life less ordinary. As you stand before this mirror, can you sense the surge of unfamiliar emotions? It's as though this mirror holds the promise of change, a chance to break free from the relentless pursuit of success that yields little fulfillment. Standing before the mirror, a surge of unfamiliar emotions swept over you. It felt as though this mirror held the promise of change, a chance to break free from the relentless pursuit of success that yielded little fulfillment. You stood there, captivated by its inexplicable pull, wondering if this moment was the turning point you've been seeking. As you hesitantly extend your hand towards the mirror's aged surface, a thrill courses through you, a tingling sensation that tingles up your arm, awakening a sense of connection to this ancient artifact. Dust particles scatter as your fingers trace the etchings on its ornate frame, unveiling a story hidden within the intricate patterns. Each movement closer to the mirror feels like stepping into a different world, one filled with whispers of untold secrets and uncharted possibilities. The bustling noise of the world outside fades, leaving behind only the quiet anticipation echoing within the shop's forgotten walls. In this suspended moment, surrounded by relics of forgotten times, the mirror seems to hold its breath, as if eager to reveal the mysteries concealed within its reflective surface. It's as though time itself slows down, inviting you to embrace the enigmatic journey waiting to unfold. Could this mirror be more than a mere antique? Could it be the portal to a realm where dreams intertwine with reality, where the pursuit of wealth transforms into the embrace of abundance? As your gaze remains fixed on the mirror, a faint warmth emanates from its surface, drawing you closer. With a sense of anticipation, you extend your hand and touch the mirror's aged frame, feeling a subtle vibration that resonates within you. The dust begins to fade, revealing ancient engravings shimmering with an ethereal glow. Your reflection stares back at you, yet there's a depth in its gaze, a depth that suggests there's more to this mirror than meets the eye. It's a moment of curiosity and wonder, a moment where the ordinary meets the extraordinary. Within the mirror's mysterious depths, a transformation unfolds. Visions emerge, fragments of your deepest yearnings and aspirations take shape amidst the swirling patterns within the glass. The world outside seems to fade as the mirror invites you into a serene space where dreams coalesce into tangible forms. In this moment of connection, you feel a merging, a harmonious union between your desires and the boundless potential of the universe. It's a silent dialogue, an acknowledgement that this mirror holds the key to manifesting aspirations into reality. As the realization dawns upon you that the mirror is a conduit for transforming desires into tangible forms, you find yourself immersed in a journey unlike any other. The merging of your aspirations with the mirror's cosmic energy signals the genesis of a magnificent manifestation. Visions within the mirror begin to crystallize, evolving from mere thoughts into vivid scenes of possibility. Each reverie, intricately woven within the mirror's realm, paints a picture of the life you've envisioned, a life abundant with the wealth of your dreams. This mesmerizing spectacle isn't just a reflection, but a revelation that your intentions possess the power to shape reality. The mirror acts as a catalyst, bridging your heartfelt desires with the vast canvas of the universe's creative energy. In this journey of manifestation, the mirror doesn't merely mirror your dreams, it breathes life into them, infusing your aspirations with the pulsating rhythm of the cosmos. It's a dance between your intentions and the universe's willingness to grant, a harmonious exchange that ushers in the realization of your deepest desires. Yet, amidst the awe-inspiring manifestations unfolding within the mirror's realm, a shadow of doubt looms, a lingering uncertainty that whispers, can this truly be real? As the scenes of abundance continue to materialize within the mirror, a wave of skepticism washes over you. doubt creeps in, casting a fleeting shadow on the vivid tapestry of dreams you've witnessed. It's natural to question the extraordinary when faced with the familiarity of the ordinary. In this moment of uncertainty, the mirror stands as a testament to your journey. It's a reflection not just of aspirations but also of the internal struggle, the tug-of-war between believing in the extraordinary and succumbing to the comfort of the known. The mirror invites you to confront these doubts, urging you to gaze beyond the veil of uncertainty. It holds a silent assurance that amidst the doubts lies the potential for unwavering belief, a belief that is essential to turn the visions into tangible realities. With every passing moment, the doubts begin to dissipate like morning mist in the warmth of the rising sun. Your faith in the magic of the mirror strengthens, a belief that the universe, in its vastness, aligns with your intentions, ready to grant the abundance you've dared to dream. With the subtle dissipation of doubts, a gentle reassurance permeates the air, a whisper from the universe that echoes through the mirror's reflective surface. As your unwavering belief in the mirror's magic solidifies, the universe responds in kind. Small yet unmistakable signs begin to manifest in your reality, synchronicities that mirror the visions witnessed within the mirror's realm. It's as though the cosmos, acknowledging your steadfast faith, orchestrates subtle nods of affirmation. Chance encounters, unexpected opportunities, and serendipitous events start to align, resonating with the scenes of abundance witnessed within the mirror. Each synchronicity acts as a breadcrumb, a reassuring pat on the back from the universe, affirming that you're on the right path. The doubts that once clouded your vision now dissolve amidst the growing evidence of the universe's response to your intentions. In this unfolding dance between belief and manifestation, the mirror stands as a conduit, a bridge between your desires and the universe's boundless provisions. Your journey, once perceived as extraordinary, now seamlessly integrates into the fabric of your reality. As the universe continues to affirm your path, the mirror's influence extends beyond its reflective surface. It becomes a beacon, a guiding light illuminating the way towards the fulfillment of your aspirations. Amidst the symphony of synchronicities orchestrated by the universe, a realization dawns upon you, a profound shift from seeking mere wealth to embracing the concept of abundance in its entirety. The whispers of affirmation from the cosmos, synchronized with the visions seen within the mirror, pave the way for a new understanding. Abundance transcends the mere accumulation of material wealth. It encompasses the richness of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment in every aspect of life. The mirror, once a source of mystique and aspirations, now mirrors a different reflection, a reflection not of opulence but of a life woven with threads of abundance in every experience, every connection, and every moment. In this transformative journey, you've unlocked the true essence of abundance, a tapestry interwoven with gratitude for the present, joy for the journey, and a deep appreciation for the magic infused into every facet of your reality. As you stand at this juncture, the mirror stands as a constant reminder, a symbol not of newfound wealth alone, but of a life richly abundant in the embrace of every experience, every relationship, and every blessing that unfolds. As the journey within the mirror's realm comes to a poignant close, its legacy resonates within your being, a legacy that extends far beyond the tangible visions witnessed. Dear viewer, if this video has resonated with you, if the journey through the mirror's magic has sparked a newfound understanding or hope within, consider subscribing to our channel. Your support ensures more enchanting tales and insightful videos. In the reflection of your own journey lies the essence of the mirror's legacy, a legacy not confined to its ornate frame but etched into the depths of your consciousness. It beckons you to carry forth the lessons learned, the embrace of abundance, the power of belief, and the alignment with the universe's boundless energy. Remember, your likes and shares inspire us to continue weaving captivating stories. Share this journey with others, inviting them to explore the transformative power that resides within each of us. As the mirror's whispers fade into the recesses of memory, its legacy lives on, a testament to the potential within, waiting to be awakened by the willing heart.